Hi. In this video, we will learn about Excel's Backstage Area.
Now the File tab, if we open that, this is a bit different from the other tabs. Here there's no ribbon, but if we click that, we go to what is called the Backstage Area. This is a bit similar to the start screen, but we have more options here, as you can see. On the start screen, we only had the Home, New, Open, and Account Feedback options, but we have all these other options in Backstage. This is really what we consider as an admin area. From here, you can create new blank workbooks. You can select templates. You can open workbooks. And you can also save workbooks from here. Here we have two options, save and save as. If it's a new workbook, save and save as is same because we haven't given the workbook a name. Here we have to go and give a name. When you're saving a workbook for the first time, you'll have to go into save and then you have to give a name here. So here you can either use save as or save. It will be the same because we will have to give a name here. But once you have given a name, you can just go to save and save. You can also print workbooks from here and you can also share workbooks with people from here. You can also share an Adobe PDF link and you can export into different formats. On the info page, we can protect the workbook. Under protect workbook, we have several options like we can make it read only, we can encrypt with a password, we can protect the sheets, we can protect the workbook structure and give a digital signature, and then we can mark this as a final document. You can also inspect our workbook. Here we can check for any metadata information stored in the background of each file. Things like the author's name, when it was created. We can also remove all of these things before we send it out to other people. You can look at the version history. You can manage the workbook. If the system crashes, you can recover unsaved workbooks from here. You can delete unsaved workbooks. You have browser view options. If you only want to close the current workbook, this is the place where you can close the workbook from. If you close from here, all of your other workbooks will also close. So this is the place you want to go if you want to just close this workbook. There's two ways to leave the backstage. One way is to go through the back arrow here. And the other option is you can press the escape key.
Thanks for watching.